I've been muted this whole time. Excuse me. Okay. I had no idea I was muted. You did not tell me. All right, so let's pause that. Figure out where my sound is coming from. Probably DCNH TV open somewhere. No, not that one. There it is. Okay, so it was in this tab, and you should have been actually hearing that double audio too, because the way I'm sharing this tab is that the audio is supposed to pass through. So now we've got WEARE Live unlisted. If I list it, I may get a viewer or two jump in. But as of right now, it's unlisted and being recorded, so I will be able to share this later um, if it's worth it. So it technically could be clipped and shared. We could also instantly back this up from YouTube to PeerTube, which is the direction that I would like to go. I'd like to stream to YouTube. It's more compatible with a lot of different clients. It is like the most popular streaming service. So once we stream to YouTube, I plan on backing that up with PeerTube. It should be pretty instant. So essentially, if you subscribe to the PeerTube channel, you will be getting the same content as you would on the YouTube channel. That's the idea. Um, so right now we are streaming. We're sharing the. Oh, okay. So I'm sharing a different tab. So let's try this. I'm sharing this tab instead. Brave is actually really impressive. Right now, I'm just getting into it. I've been using Firefox since the 90s, probably, and it wasn't really the 90s, but it was close. And Brave, I believe, is based on the um, same framework, but it is pretty awesome. It's packed with features. It's like out of the box, loaded up with all of the coolest stuff that you would need. One thing that does bother me always is they opt into telemetry by default, and I don't think they should do that. I think that's wrong for any privacy claiming application to opt into telemetry or anonymous usage statistics or anonymous reporting or usage reporting or anything like that. Even error reporting. All of that should be off by default and opt in only. So now we've got the infinity screen because we're watching the live of the live of the live. I could back it up and fix that problem, and now if we go live again, it will reset the infinity screen at least. All right, so we are streaming 5 minutes now. We haven't talked about anything, so no wonder I don't have any subscribers. But what we're doing is streaming live from the Jitsi meeting at meet.dcnh.tv. And this is a Thursday Lunch and Learn or Thursday Q&A, AMA for tech. Specifically pre-state tech, but we talk about everything. So we talk about Nextcloud, we talk about why you know host, all kinds of really cool technology, and then we stream it live to YouTube or PeerTube and advertise to the world that this is all you need to stream. Is you go to meet.jit.si, start a meeting, get in that meeting, start a live stream, put in your YouTube live stream credentials, and you're good. So that's about it. This video should have been dumped into a playlist automatically. It wasn't, so I'm gonna put it in DCNH TV. It's really where it should be. I am sharing this tab. That's cool. We're gonna keep that as New Hampshire, but the rest is pretty open. We could do Creative Commons attribution and allow embedding. Leave the recording date, no moderation. Okay, so this is changed. What was my description here? Yeah, so now the only change I'm going to make is make this public, and we may get some subscribers. Let's do it. We're going to call this public. Hello, everybody. Don't know if you could see the beginning of this, but I was streaming privately before unlisted, and now I'm streaming public. So I don't know. I just changed that setting and started streaming 8 minutes ago from New Hampshire. Just went public. I am up in Lancaster, New Hampshire. So yes, I am in New Hampshire. So this is a YouTube studio for DCNH TV. That is this account. Follow at DCNH or at DCNH TV on YouTube, or just go to the website DCNH TV, because if we try that out, I'll make sure there's no private info on here. I guess my bookmarks could be private. I'm not even sharing the tab. I just did a new tab. So here is DCNH TV. And YouTube doesn't like this. This is WEARE Live. This is streaming to PeerTube with audio.
Married his long-term partner just 11 days ago. Tribute to be.
So you can check that out at DCNH.tv. If you go to that website, you'll see all of these different videos. This one is YouTube, and YouTube is being ridiculous. So I don't know what's triggered them, but I do have a VPN running, so maybe I can disable that, and maybe I'll use the live stream, but YouTube is, pain in my butt. So I'm disconnecting VPN, and we'll try this again. And if you're still there, I'm just going to refresh, see if YouTube wants to be nice. Yes, it does. So now we've got DCNH TV has the live stream right in the middle. I am just checking to see if I can get the shields down, I guess. So I do have to load it with the shields down in order to get my Bitcoin tracker over here on the right. There is probably one piece of JavaScript or something that it's blocking in there that I trust, but you may not. You may not want that. Um, there is also tv.fsp.org is another version of this site, and it just shows you how this DCNH TV or this model of TV can just be customized. You can add in whatever YouTube playlists you want, and I do playlists so that these are automatically going to be up to date. They will always have the latest upload from these channels. So this is Carla Garrick's YouTube Make the Move YouTube channel. This one here.
Now, personally, I could only.
Luke Radowski. We Are Change. This one
Spyware is all over our smart.
Naomi Brockwell, NBTV. This one is one that I created for DCNH. It's a pretty good one though. It's all like Porkfest in New Hampshire and really cool videos. This center of tv.fsp.org is typically the Porcupine Report, but it is the Free State Project's YouTube channel. So Ross was on there, Porcupine Report. So this is an easy way to watch or keep up with New Hampshire. So here's Carla. Luke is more of a worldwide thing. Naomi is more of a worldwide thing. But they have been to Porkfest, so we're just featuring their channels. And we've got local silver mint. This
the
is
next
a silver
6 to
day.
12 months, I could see the silver price going to, might sound crazy, but I don't think it's crazy at all. The gold price is the canary in the silver mine. Well, the platinum
Dave's channel is really good. It's a local silver mint channel. You can get to any of these on YouTube by just clicking the video. I know it didn't go back to, or you didn't see the pop-up, but if you click the title of the video, it will open it in YouTube. You can subscribe to the channel. You can subscribe to the playlist, however you want to do that. So this bottom is Porkfest 24. I should change that to Porkfest 25, and we'll start to see those videos in the bottom left. And we're live. So this is those videos in the bottom, the live stream that I'm doing right now. So that is available on tv.fsp.org. And on the very bottom right hand side, we've got the entire Life, Liberty, and the Pursuit of New Hampshire docu-series that NBC Boston did about 2 years ago, I believe, on the Free State Project. There are new episodes. That it is a really good insight into a lot of the Free State Project. I wonder if this is my hedgehog here. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Where'd he go? That's me right there, actually. But this, don't think that's my house. I do have all of these things except for that gold nugget. I'm not sure what that is. Anyway, we're gonna get out of that. We're basically, I love how this window is reacting. I'm sharing this tab, so my full screen is staying within the tab, and my Jitsi is. I don't know if this is Brave browser or Jitsi, but they work really well together. So I'm really happy with this. This is my new computer. I'm just using this for the first time for live streaming, and I am right now. I'm just checking to see what is blocking the Bitcoin chart. I think I found it. Maybe. See if it loads. Nope. There's font, canvas. Okay, still going. Anyway, I'm gonna just shut my shields off, and we'll get that Bitcoin chart working. I'm not sure exactly what shield is causing that, but we'll let it go for now. And so this is designed to be full screen. I don't know if that'll make a difference if I change it now. So try that. And now the audio itself.
Hey there, all you porcupines, you. This is your host, your renegade statesman, your executive director.
So we've got Eric going there.
Pines,
so
you. This is your host, your renegade statesman, your executive director.
So, okay, so that actually did record the audio really well from the browser. This is just opening up a lot more potential for Jitsi to me right now, because these videos and audio are playing really well. So let me just back that up a little bit. So this is designed to be full screen. I don't know if that'll make a difference if I change it now. So try that. And now the audio itself.
Hey there, all you porcupines, you. This is your host, your renegade statesman, your executive director.
So we've got Eric going there. Yeah, so that did sound really good. And I'm going to go to the live. Yeah, so that did sound really good. And I'm going to go to the live. Yeah, so that did sound really good. And I'm going to go to the live. Yeah, so that did sound.
All you porcupines, you. This is your host, your renegade statesman, your executive director.
So we've got. All right, so now I'm doing an infinity loop on the audio. I'm going to stop doing that right now. But I'm extremely impressed with testing this out. I'm on YouTube Live, public link, which means there could actually be people watching. Should we check? So if we click this, share this tab instead. So this is the live, and we got one watching now. Perfect. And that's me. So nobody is watching, even though DCNH channel should have that. Yeah, it's got the WEARE Live right on the top. That's great. This channel, I'm pretty happy with this channel too. This has these different playlists right on the homepage. So if you visit DCNH TV channel, check out some of these videos because they should be fairly up to date. This first one is at least DCNH TV is the center screen of DCNH.TV. So this playlist I try to keep up to date and have the most major current events on. This is a really good Wi-Fi, so that's why that's on there. The live stream also would, when the live stream is happening, that would jump right into the middle of DCNH TV. And then anything that I add to this playlist after that will trumpet, will jump in front of it. So that's the channel. Here's my videos. Probably do have a lot of unlisted videos. Yeah. So these are all drone that I just uploaded to share, to be able to share them easier. So I left those unlisted. And we do have some public videos that have uploaded. Haven't uploaded much original content so far. What I've been doing is creating, using this more for live stream, which is difficult because they want you to have 50 subscribers, and currently I've got 26 subscribers. I have never promoted this channel other than maybe sharing a video through it. I did share the PorcFest live stream we ran through this channel last year. This year we did the Free State Project channel, and honestly we had more views on my channel because we promoted it. So I don't know what else we could talk about here. DCNH is a project to decentralize tech and media. And if we go to DCNH TV, share this tab. Now we've got right in the center, we've got the main video. This should be shrunk. This shouldn't be so big, but the format that I used on tv.fsp.org is a little bit newer, so it's more recent. So I did fix issues like this, but this center video is way too big. Anyway, what you can do if you want to copy the site and make your own videos is just right click somewhere in the blank space and hit view page source. Copy all of this, paste it, and you should be good to go. I don't even think this has any PHP in it. The only thing it has is some JavaScript, and that's just for the widgets. So the majority of this is just straight HTML, CSS. CSS is embedded right in there. I don't even have a separate style sheet. So everything except for a couple of the images, like the favicon, and that's about it. And the preview image, the web sharing image. So you would need, if you want your own preview image, you'd need one of those. But you can customize any of this. Feel free to copy and use this code. Just do not patent or sell it. The code here is just a bunch of iframes, so frames with videos in them. I wasn't sharing the right tab, but this is the code. Apologize for that. Here's the code right here, and all it is you know, the heading, all the HTML loading information about the website, and then the style information is the CSS, and that sets like the height and width of the cells in the table, which makes up the, I think this is table, which makes up the web page. So that's just a giant table with some combined cells to make the center bigger, different classes to make the right sizes for all of the windows. So if we go back to DCNH TV, you can see this guy should be able to go live and see some code. Oh, we went too far. So there's our code right there. We're just sharing. And this is a playlist. So anytime I go live on that channel, it gets added automatically to the top of DCNH TV's playlist. And then it gets published immediately to DCNH.TV. And it's there available, so you can go through the recent major videos, or the videos that I feel are important. Like these were live streams, so this counterparty conference was a live stream while it happened, and it was on DCNH TV. So if there's a cool live stream like that, I'll put it right in the center. These things too, the Trump address, the a lot of these WEARE change news that are really good. And then this one is actually a video that I did, another live stream that I did. The other thing about this live stream is it's typically published to YouTube unlisted, but with this playlist, with the DCNH TV playlist, you'll see it right at the top when I go live on that playlist, or on that on the WEARE Live channel. So that's about it. I'm not gonna keep you here while I ramble. I'm going to cut this short. DCNH.TV, tv.fsp.org, and check out DCNH TV. That's what I wanted to see. DCNH TV on YouTube, and I don't even have a link to it. All right, I'll work on that. But we do have DCNH TV on X, and that has no links either. So I'm going to, yeah, there's DCNH TV on X. Darn, I'm going to need a link to this YouTube channel, which is youtube.com/@DCNHTV. So I do need to share that in order to get some attention on it, some subscribers. But once I get 50 subscribers, I'll be happy. I can start live streaming from my GoPro, I think, is where I've run into the problem. So that's it. Tell your friends, subscribe to DCNH TV on YouTube. Help me out so I can do more. I'll do more cool stuff if I can get 50 subscribers. I am trying to figure out how to get back to my meeting. There's my meeting. Okay, I know I'm sitting here comfy. Do not have my desk set up right now. I'm not at my desk right now. Just live streaming from the couch, and I'm going to call it a wrap. So talk to you next time. DCNH TV on YouTube, and that will soon get you out to the PeerTube channel and all of the other cool links we've got. So, that's it. Thanks. See you.